Good day and what's up, everyone? This is Teacher Shadrach once again, your teacher for today's video. Once again, guys, good day to each and every one of you. Um, During our last topic, which is the algebraic expressions, so our lesson for today, okay, it is about a polynomial, okay, wherein we can add and subtract polynomials. It's kind of like they are connected to each other. Okay, if you watch the video of algebraic expressions. So again, our topic for this day is about polynomials. Okay, napahagi na natin to. I do believe you have the knowledge about it, polynomials. So as part of our introductions, I'll be reading and presenting the learning objectives of our lesson for today. Now, polynomials. Okay, so the lesson objectives, I'm going to lipat ulit yung ating camera. All right. So the lesson objectives or learning objectives, we have number one, the students or the learners should be able to define the terms of polynomials. Secondly, the students or the learners should be able to identify the rules involving the addition and subtraction of polynomial. And thirdly, the learner should be able to solve for the sum and difference of the given polynomials. It's like it is the continuation of our topic regarding algebraic expressions, which is in polynomial. On the next slide. Now, identifying polynomials. So first, we have to guess how many terms are there in a given expressions and what they are called. So you have to guess it. Okay, let's guess it. Okay, I will help you on the next slide. All right, how many terms does this polynomial have? Okay, it's a two. It's one. It's two or one. One or it's one, right? So the polynomial it has one term. The next slide. This one. How many terms does this polynomial have? 4b raised to 3 or 4b cubed plus 3c squared. It has two terms, right? Good. On the next slide, we have 4x squared plus 2y plus 5. 4x squared plus 2y plus 5. How many terms does this polynomial have? It's 3. Right. Correct. Now, what is monomial, binomial, and trinomial? Okay? Before we are going to proceed on how to add and subtract polynomials, we have to define what is monomial, what is binomial, and trinomial in simple terms. As you can see here, monomials are polynomials with only one term. Okay, mono from the word mono, it's only one. Binomials are composed of two terms from the word bi. Okay, binomials composed of two terms, and trinomial is a type of polynomials that is composed of three terms. So that's the definition, simple terms or simple definitions of monomials and binomials and trinomial. On the next slide. So these are examples of monomials, binomials, and trinomials. In monomial, we have 9x raised to 2y. We have 5b cubed. We have negative 16x, and we have 45. On the other hand, binomial, 9 raised to 2 y minus 5x. So we can see two terms because they are separated with the minus sign. As if you do remember our last topic, which is algebraic expressions, right? They are separated by a sign minus. Okay, so we can call it a binomial. It has two terms. Secondly, we have 5b cubed plus 14b squared. Next one, negative 16 plus 28, 5b cubed plus 1. So those are the examples of binomial. On the other hand, we have trinomial. 9x squared minus 9x squared y minus 5x plus 1. So we can see the two operations there. They are separated. Okay, minus and plus, so it has three terms. Also, on the other hand, 5b cubed plus 14b squared minus 21b. Okay. On the other hand, negative 16x plus 18y minus 28. And last but not the least, 5b cubed plus 5a raised to 3 is equal to 8. So those are the examples of monomials, binomials, trinomials. Okay. Now, so this would be a quick lecture, all right? Because this is just the continuation of algebraic expressions. Okay. Now, additions and subtraction of polynomials. It is important that we know what are like or similar terms. Okay, let's pause there. Again, it is important that we know what are like or similar terms before we proceed with the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay, one of the examples of a similar terms we have 4y and 2y. It has the same or similar terms. They are the same terms for y and 2y. On the other hand, another example is 2x plus 5x. They are similar terms. Okay. Now, terms, okay, with the same literal coefficients are called like terms. Just like what I've said a while ago, or I shared an example, which is 2x plus 5x. They have the same literal coefficients. Okay, and they are called like terms or similar terms. For instance, we have 2ab, 6ab, and negative ab. These three terms, okay, are similar terms because they have the same literal coefficients, which is ab. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, 2a, 2a, 3ab, and negative 5b are not similar terms because their literal coefficients are not the same. Why is that so? The literal coefficients are A, AB, and B, respectively. So they have no same um, terms. Okay, it's because of their literal coefficients. I hope you got it. Okay, the next slide. Now let's proceed to addition of polynomials. To add polynomials, simply combine like terms or similar terms. We are just to add the like terms. Okay, to combine similar terms, get the sum of the numerical coefficients and copy the same literal coefficients. For convenience, write similar terms in the same column. So I give you example here. Example number 1. Find the sum of 5a plus the quantity of 2a plus 6. Okay, here's the solution. First, we are going to combine the similar terms, which is 5a plus 2a. And nilabas natin yung 6. Okay? Then, we add the numerical coefficients of the like terms, which is 5 and 2. So, it is equal to 7a Then we are going to simplify it and we will have 7a plus 6 as the sum. So that's the answer. 7a plus 6 as the sum. Simple as that. I hope you got it. Example number 2. Find the sum of 5a plus 8b minus 2 plus 8a plus 7b minus 8. So here's the solution. Now we are going to combine the similar terms. So we are going to put 8a to the other hand. So nagkaroon ng 5a plus 8a plus 8b plus 7b, pinagsama na yung magkasamang literal coefficients, plus negative 2 plus negative 8. Then to simplify it further, we will have 13a plus 15b minus 10. So that's how we are we going to add a polynomials. Okay, I hope you got it. The next line, subtraction of polynomials. To subtract a polynomial from another polynomial, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Keep in mind that in adding polynomials, you can only add those that are similar or like terms. Okay, for instance, for us to be able to understand, in a problem, a minus b is equal to negative 0. Or it is equal to negative, it is equal to 0, should I say. A is the minuend and b is the subtrahend. Hence, we can change the sign of subtrahend b into negative b, then add. We will add up with an equation a plus the quantity of negative b is equal to 0. I hope you get it. So, an example for us to be able to understand it further. Okay, we have 5a plus 4 minus 7a plus 3. So here's the solution. We have to change the sign of the subtrahend into negative. So we will have negative 7 minus 3. Why is that so? Yung negative dito po sa labas, okay, sa parentheses, i-multiply lang natin yan. Kaya siya negative 7a. Negative times 7a is equal to negative 7a. Negative times positive 3 is equal to negative 3. I hope you got it. And then, we are going to combine the similar terms. Now, that napalitan na yung sign sa labas, which is yung minus naging plus, okay? We are going to simply apply it further. So we have 5a minus 7a plus 4 minus 3. Then simplify it. We have, so 5a minus 7a is equal to negative 2a plus 1. Okay, wala yung kwando na, no? Yung a. Negative 2a po yon plus 1. So that's the answer. That's the solutions. So, for us to understand on how to add and subtract, okay? Again, let me remind you, and please do remember this one. It is important that we know that we are like that what are like or similar terms before we proceed with the addition and subtraction of the polynomials. Terms with the same literal coefficients are called like terms and similar terms. Okay, I hope each and every one of you learn once again on our video about polynomials. So as simple as that, I hope and pray that we have learned today. Okay, let me maximize my um, camera. Okay, once again, thank you so much everyone for watching our video today about polynomials. See you and God bless you all.